Hi everyone! Today's video is going to be a little different. I hope you guys don't mind, but I thought to make today's video called Crocheting on a Budget. And this is for everyone who crochets and maybe knits. Some tips and tricks that I have gathered on my journey. So, first things first, buying cotton yarn is usually cheap, and I actually suggest if you want to get like regular tying, this is the kind that I got from the dollar store, and it comes in a pack. And forgot it. It looks like this. It has like something like this. And also, instead of buying a lot of like expensive jute string, you can get it at the dollar store too in little packs like this. They come in handy. Sometimes they also have like a huge roll of it for $1, which is great. They're good for like, making dish scrubs and a more eco-friendly purse and things like that. And then my second tip is going to yard sales and garage sales. I highly suggest doing this because I had gotten this huge roll of white yarn for 25 cents, and then this black one, which is really nice, I think it was like Red Heart or something, I'm not sure, for $1 too. And maybe sometimes you can make like a bargain with the person, so yes. Also, while you're at a yard sale or a garage sale, and if you go into the thrift store, keep an eye out for sweaters and scarves. Sweaters and scarves, you can basically find a seam and you can easily undo it and basically make your own ball yarn of a sweater or a scarf. Excuse me. And then if you go to the thrift store, if you go into their art section, usually they have one, you can find grab bags of yarn. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're there if you want to get it like that, or if you'd rather get a sweater. If you're doing like a huge project, get a sweater instead and take it apart, and you can easily unwind it. I'll leave a video down below that shows you how to do that. And then scarves are usually like $2 where I live, which is cheaper than buying the grab bag, which is like $6. And I get more from the scarf than the grab bag. So, yes. And I think that's actually it. Actually, if you don't have stuffing, and you don't want to buy stuffing, say for instance this is cut off of the project that you did. You want to save the little cut off parts of your project in a little bag, because you can use it as stuffing and it works wonders. So yes, wanted to keep this video short and simple. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you all later. Bye.